When you picture modern battlefields, you might imagine tanks rumbling across open plains or infantry maneuvering through urban landscapes. But in today's high-stakes environment, there's another threat that's impossible to ignore: the danger from above. Drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft all pose serious risks to ground forces and vital infrastructure. That's where the TWQ-1 Avenger steps in. A mobile, hard-hitting air defense system designed to keep the skies clear and friendly. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Avenger such a compelling player in the world of short-range air defense. The Avenger's story starts in the 1980s, a time when the U.S. Army needed a new way to protect its troops from low-flying threats. Boeing took up the challenge, developing the Avenger as a private venture. Incredibly, it went from drawing board to prototype in just 10 months, a lightning pace for military hardware. By 1990, after rigorous testing, including direct hits by first-time operators, the Avenger was deemed operational and began replacing older Vulcan air defense systems. But what really set the Avenger apart was its versatility and mobility. Mounted on the highly maneuverable Humvee chassis, it could keep up with fast-moving ground units, deploy rapidly, and provide a mobile umbrella against low-flying threats. Since then, it's seen action in conflicts from the Gulf War to Afghanistan, Iraq, and Ukraine, and has been continuously upgraded to meet new challenges. The Avenger is a self-propelled surface-to-air missile system. Its mission: protect ground troops and critical infrastructure from cruise missiles, drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft. Here are some key specifications. Dimensions: the Avenger measures approximately 4.95 meters, 16 feet in length, 2.18 meters, 7 feet in width, and 2.64 meters, 8 feet in height. Weight: it has a combat weight of around 3.6 tons. Speed and range: the Avenger can reach speeds of up to 89 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour on roads, and has a range of approximately 443 kilometers, 275 miles. Crew capacity: typically operated by a 2-person crew, sometimes 3. On top of the Humvee sits the heart of the system, a turret armed with 2 quadruple launchers for FM-92 Stinger missiles, 8 shots of pure deterrence. The Stinger is a heat-seeking missile, renowned for its fire-and-forget simplicity and effectiveness against helicopters, drones, and low-flying planes. For closer threats, there's an 12.7mm .50 caliber M3P machine gun, giving the Avenger a punch against both air and ground targets. The Avenger isn't just about brute force, it's smart too. Its advanced sensor suite includes infrared and optical trackers, plus a laser rangefinder, allowing the crew to spot, track, and engage targets in all weather and lighting conditions. The fire control system can detect threats up to 10 kilometers away, giving the crew precious seconds to react. One of the Avenger's best tricks is its TWQ feature. Linked to the Army's Forward Area Air Defense Command and Control System, FAADC-3I, the Avenger can receive real-time target data from external radars. With the push of a button, the turret automatically swings toward the incoming threat, letting the crew focus on the engagement. This networked approach is vital in today's fast-moving battle spaces. One of the Avenger's greatest strengths is its ability to shoot and scoot. Mounted on a Humvee, it can traverse rough terrain, reposition quickly, and be ready to fire within minutes. This agility is crucial for staying one step ahead of enemy aircraft and avoiding counterattacks. The system is typically deployed in platoons of 4, each with a crew of 3. It's air transportable, so it can be rapidly moved by plane, ship, or truck to wherever it's needed most. The Avenger has seen action in some of the world's most challenging environments. From the deserts of the Gulf War to the mountains of Afghanistan and the cities of Iraq, it's provided a mobile shield for troops and critical infrastructure. Most recently, Avengers have been deployed in Ukraine, where they're helping defend against drones and low-flying missiles in an ever-changing conflict. Its ability to rapidly deploy, reposition, and engage multiple targets makes it a favorite for force protection, convoy escort, and base defense. The combination of missiles and machine gun means it can adapt to whatever the enemy throws its way. In an age where drones are cheap and plentiful, and cruise missiles can strike from afar, short-range air defense is more important than ever. The Avenger's blend of mobility, firepower, and networked sensors makes it a go-to solution for modern armies facing complex aerial threats. And with ongoing upgrades like improved Stinger missiles, better communications, and directed energy weapons, Boeing even demonstrated an Avenger derivative on a larger truck chassis, with modular weapon mounts that could carry everything from Hellfire missiles to Sidewinders. The system's open architecture means it can be updated with new tech as threats evolve, ensuring the Avenger remains relevant well into the 21st century. The TWQ-1 Avenger may not be the biggest or flashiest weapon on the battlefield, But ask any soldier who's watched it knock a drone out of the sky, and they'll tell you it's a lifesaver. With its proven track record, adaptability, and relentless modernization, the Avenger is more than just a missile system. It's a symbol of how smart design and constant innovation can keep ground forces safe in a dangerous world. Whether rolling across the plains, guarding a forward base, or racing to plug a gap in the defense, the Avenger is always ready, always watching, and always a threat to anything that dares to fly too close. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.